The video you're about to watch is of a radon mitigation system done wrong by a licensed mitigation contractor. I know selling a house is very stressful, but choosing a radon contractor based upon who can do it the cheapest is going to add so much stress. I didn't interview the client at this time because they were so angry, but I hope you get the gist of what goes wrong when you're trying to hire the cheapest contractor. If you have any questions, call me after you view this video. This is a picture of one of our competitors' systems. As you see, it looks just like any other radon system. But if you were in the house, you would know better, because you can hear the system right from the front door as you open it. Another problem with this system, it is not labeled properly, following IEMA rules. The seller wanted to make sure that the radon system was installed correctly. They showed me how the radon contractor butchered the floor joists, causing structural damage. She was saying that this mitigator was licensed, so how could he have made this mistake? Well, she learned the hard way. Also, the exhaust, the way it was attached to the house, had direct contact with the siding, so you're also able to hear the system on the first floor and second floor. The seller was very concerned in how to get this fixed. The radon mitigation contractor also then hooked up the radon system to the groundwater sump pit. Another big mistake, putting the basement at risk of flooding. This is a serious concern.